Hello everyone, this is I from Super B. Sometimes the crown rest couldn't be assembled perfectly due to a rough crown rest seat and cause bad steering situation. When you find it, you'll need this Super B TB-1948 crown rest seat cutting tool to fix the problem. First, we can set up the tool body with handles. Measure the diameter of crown rest seat and choose the corresponding cutter to assemble with the tool body. Please note the securing hole should match with the securing screws. As we have upper 1 1/8 inch and lower 1 1/2 inch tap fork, it doesn't require guide assembling. It's recommended to apply some cutting oil before we fasten the crown rest seat. Then we put tool body, spring spacer, and the quick release seat on the stereo. Press down the quick release seat and clamp it to set the pressure on the tool. Then we can turn TB-1948 clockwise, very easy. To face the crown rest seat until it's flat. We release the quick release seat. Grab all the parts out. And then here we go, a smooth and flat crown rest seat. Flat and smooth crown rest seat allow us to assemble crown rest nicely, which will provide good steering while riding. Super B TB-1948 is the tool you need.